I'm from Japan. So today I would like to introduce how to fold origami crane.
It's important that your paper is a square.
First, fold your paper to make a rectangle.
Then fold it again to make a small square.
Take the corners and open a little bit and take the inside and push it down. A small squeeze and a small triangle.
Nice.
Turn this around
Yes.
and take the corners and open a little, just like that, and put it inside the hands. Okay, and push it down. Yes.
Aha!
Make it squeeze again.
Then you should have all a diamond shape.
Okay.
Yeah, same thing. Good.
Now you have an ice cream cone.
Unflow everything to do a basic square.
Now this is the most difficult part. Paper and fold it up. Make a crease on the center.
Without distraction.
Okay. And please take the wings of the crane.
Wait.
Like magic and open the wings.
Show me the magic. So pretty.